what happens when you mash up kapa haka with pop? You get a super group of young Māori artists. Check this out.
Meet some of Māoridom's online stars.
I don't wanna talk about it. Mawhiti mai ko te rā, ka au a te ao. He rā, tēnei kua hura. Karango nāna te wairua.
We are in Tāmaki Makaurau and Maimoa Music, the new kids on the block, are shooting their new video, Wairua.
Maimoa tia.
Ko waia Maimoa Music.
Ko waia Maimoa Music. He hui ngā rangatahi Māori, ko whakakotahi mai i runga i te aroha ki te reo Māori ki ngā mahi waiata. Ko tā mātau, he whakatairanga i te reo, i roto i ngā mahi waiata, kia pāororo i ngā raora o te motu, kia rangona i ngā rangi whawhātanga o tēnei ao.
Taking many by surprise, Maimoa climbed to the top of the New Zealand iTunes ladder, knocking off Justin Timberlake. But it's been 33 years since a reo Māori waiata took the top spot on the New Zealand music charts, and we all know who that was. "33 years is a long time, but it's a challenge they're willing to take on."
Kia ora, ko tūranga merito tēnei. I'm a singer, dancer, actor, choreographer, vocal coach, and producer and artistic director. I'm here today as the music director for the future of Māori music, Maimoa Music. I had the privilege of working for Stan Walker, Jessica Malboy, Guy Sebastian, Delta Goodwin. Last year I toured with a lady named Marsha Hines. Yeah, I've been really lucky, hey. 5, 6, 7, 8.
Even though their videos have amassed over 1 million views online, ideas of grandeur and global recognition quickly fade to a more inspiring sound.
3, 2.
You know, with us Māori, we're quite stubborn and we can be serious, and which is great. But I kind of wanted to bring out that, I guess, that encouragement to really embrace our culture in a fun and exciting and just, I don't know, connecting with others and have a good laugh.
Loving it, feeling it.
It's starting to get harder and harder, and I think that I just want to actually say to a person, like, it's okay, just speak the way you want, be who you want to be, and yeah, be yourself.
Te oi anō ka te whainga matua, kia rongo te marea, kia rongo a Aotearoa whānui, kia rongo te ao, i te wairua. Harikoa, te wairua pai, kia Māori ake te rā āhua i tēnei ao.
So where can Maimoa hear their calling?
It's the combination of Māoritanga, it's the combination of life via music, via drum beat, and it's the combination of all of these things with the icing of the musical cake being the youthfulness of these 12 incredible vocalists that have a voice and have a platform and that have a deep need to express themselves creatively and take that and share that to the world.
The kupu wairua also encourages myself that if I'm positive, it's just gonna like spread, and that's what we want. Like, if you're positive with your interviews, if you're positive doing your tests, if you're positive going to school, like you're bound to have like a good time.
ringa ringa